Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing our 5th Infinity Stone, which is the Time Stone. And that one's green. So we're going to be playing with 3 palettes today. The James Charles palette, the Tribe palette by Juvia's Place, and also the ColourPop Misunderstood palette. I'm going to dive back into that one because I really like the shades of green in there. Before we get into it, please don't forget to like and subscribe, so that way you are able to see some more content that I do have coming up later in the month. Let's get started. So today we're actually going to be using tape to create some clean lines. Got my holographic tape. Just gonna put that a little bit below the lash line. Sure, let's go with that. Okay. So our eyes are already primed with our Urban Decay Original Eyeshadow Primer Potion. First we're going to go into our Juvia's Place Tribe palette and pick up the shade Sand. We're going to pat that into our crease area. And now we're going to go into the shade Daddy from the James Charles palette. We're going to take the shade Tootsie from the Tribe palette. Okay, and now you're gonna go back into the Juvia's Place palette with the Sand shade and deepen up this little portion right here a little bit. Okay, and now that we've got all this green on, what you want to do is take your brush and kind of halfway cut the crease. I don't know if it makes sense, just like the upper portion. And now that our crease is cut, we're going to want to go into the ColourPop Misunderstood palette and pick up the shade Diablo and just put that right on top of our primer. Okay, and then you're going to want to take just one of your green brushes, so preferably the one that you dipped into Daddy, and then just kind of fade it out. And just to be a little bit more extra, we're going to go into the shade Coral and just place that on the upper portion of the Diablo from the ColourPop palette. That way it gives it a little bit more dimension. Now it's time to peel off our tape, and mine, I just realized, are going to be very much uneven. Not super uneven, like this one's a little bit lower, but that's fine. Clean up the lower lash line real quick. Now that we've cleaned up this area, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face and then be back for the lower lash line and the stones. Alrighty, so now that we've got our face on, we're gonna go ahead and do the lower lash line and the inner corner highlight. Ready, so for our lower lash line, we're gonna go back into the shade Sand and gently go onto the lower lash line. We don't want a harsh green lower lash line, so what we're gonna do is blend that out with the shade Tootsie and just smoke out that lower lash line. And now we're going to go into our NYX Off Tropic liner in the shade Bamboo, and we're going to put that on our waterline. And now we're gonna go ahead and put on mascara and some lashes, and we'll be right back. Alrighty, now we're gonna go back into the Tribe palette and pick up the shade Coral and put that in our inner corner and on our brow bone. A very intense shade of green. And then we're gonna go into our Anastasia Beverly Hills Reezy highlighter and just pack that on top of Coral. That way it has more of a gold finish to it. And now you'll want to take the Reezy highlighter and just slightly go underneath the brow bone. And we'll take our Kylie Jenner Hot Chai lip liner and line our lips. Now we're gonna go into our MAC and Patrick Star lip gloss, and this is in the shade Twerk for Gifts. Alrighty, and now it is time for our rhinestones. So let's just put some green ones on. Alrighty guys, and that would be it for our finished Time Stone look. And I hope you guys really like this one because that is a lot of rhinestones, and I like the way it turned out. It looks like I'm a month late for St. Patrick's Day, but it's totally fine. And hopefully you guys do get to watch Avengers and Endgame. Almost at Infinity War. But Endgame, I'm super excited for it. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video, which will be the final stone. Bye!